What's going on, everybody? Hope everybody's having a good day. Today is Tuesday. Everybody had a good Labor Day yesterday. I actually worked on trucks yesterday, but hadn't made a video in a little while, so I figured a good opportunity to make one. My first load for the day. Look what happened. Alright, if my audio is off, y'all, my bad. My mics are in the pickup, and I have sunk down one side. And it gave away. Can't move. Drop axle's on the ground. But I got another truck where we've been trying to pull it out. And so he's got a load on. So we're going to try to hook the chain up and see if we can't get pulled out. Get this load dumped out. Dang. Another truck just got loaded with dirt and is having a hard time getting up the hill. Crazy stuff we get into dump trucking. Oh, we about turned it over. Alright, one chain's hooked up. Now I'm gonna hook up mine. Alright, y'all. We got it unstuck. Broke a chain and then done it again. Had enough pressure, barely eased up a little bit. Enough so I know I'd get that side not sinking down so much to be able to dump the load. Got the load dumped. Now let's go back and get another one. Maybe this will work out better the second go around. Alright, y'all, new morning. Nothing else exciting really happened yesterday, but I do have my mic on today, so maybe the audio will be better the rest of the time. But I'm over here fixing to get loaded shot rock. I go to Eagleville trying to finish that job up. That's what I was doing yesterday. After I got stuck. Got pulled out and all that good stuff. So now I guess I'm supposed to put my breakfast on and wait for the loader man to get here to load me. Alrighty, here's the one I done a video on. I'm still using it. My sandwich maker makes me a scrambled egg, pepper jack cheese, and a hot sausage burrito. We're gonna stick it in there, zip it up, eventually. Hard to do one-handed. There we go. Throw it in the floorboard, just like so. It's plugged up. There's my 54-cent coffee. Let's get our day started. All right, y'all, it's done. Nice and hot. This right here is how I eat hot food. Mustard in there while I'm at work. Alright, y'all, what's going on? Nothing else exciting in the dump truck world, so I'm at home. Kind of want to end this video, get it out in the morning. But I got my bike home, and I got some products coming that supposed to be here actually tomorrow. Then I got some more on the way to do. We're going to be doing installments on some different stuff. I've been having trouble with I got a blinker, my right blinker. You push it in, blink a couple times and quit. Sometimes I want to work it out. So there's a modular somewhere in here. I ordered a new one. Plus to make the tail lights stay on all the time, which is for safety. I think it'll be a good upgrade. And then I got some headlights and fog lights and stuff coming. And some other stuff coming for the bike. I guess when I get the money to be able to get it going. But got the new tire put on, got the new belt put on, and everything has been going good. The automatic transmission fluid trick did work. When all that plastic was in the engine, and then it would oil pressure disappear and stuff, run that automatic transmission fluid through it, drained it out, and it had drained it and put all that clearing oil in it, and it was still clean, but running all that transmission fluid through it, it cleaned the whole motor up really good. And some people that told me from old school, they used to do it with cars and everything, like whenever lifters and stuff like that would start sticking, they would take automatic transmission fluid. So a good tip. And I actually thought about doing it maybe right before oil change on the next time, pouring some in, just keep the engine, you know, really clean, everything going good. But also, I got some other stuff that I need to do with it, like the windshield right here. The windshield is a 20-inch, but it's too low. It's in my line of sight, so I'm really going to go higher up, or I'm actually thinking about coming with a Batman style, not one with a radio in it, and all that stuff, because I ain't going to spend $2,000 just for a fairing. But if y'all have any ideas, any upgrades, any stuff, you know, redone, got new mirrors, and my buddy bought them for me and put them on and stuff like that. But if y'all got any upgrades, anything I could do with this 1995 Harley-Davidson Road King, y'all leave it down. Give me some ideas, any advice, anything like that. Y'all be careful. Y'all be safe. See y'all on the next one.